In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing login screen on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you're turning on your computer and you're not seeing the usual login screen, or it's stuck before you can enter your password or PIN, don't worry. We'll walk through several practical things you can try to get that login screen back and regain access to your system. First, start with a simple restart. Hold down the power button on your computer until it turns off completely. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Sometimes, a temporary glitch in Windows can prevent the login screen from appearing, and a full restart is enough to clear it. If the login screen is still missing, try restarting into safe mode. To do this from a powered-off state, press the power button, and as soon as Windows starts loading, hold down the power button again to force it off. Repeat this process a couple of times. Windows should then automatically boot into the recovery environment. On that blue screen, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and finally, select Restart. After your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Choose Safe Mode, or Safe Mode with Networking if you have that option. Once you're in Safe Mode, Windows loads with minimal drivers and services, which can help you diagnose whether a driver or startup program is causing the login issue. If you can see the login screen in safe mode and sign in normally, that suggests something that loads during a normal startup is causing the problem. Next, while still in safe mode, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type msconfig and press Enter to open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services so you don't disable anything critical. Then click Disable All. After that, go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. Disable any non-essential startup items. Apply the changes and restart your PC normally to see if the login screen comes back. If the problem continues, go back into the recovery environment and choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and run Startup Repair if it's available. This tool scans for common startup issues and attempts to fix them automatically. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider using System Restore from the Advanced Options menu to roll your system back to a point where the login screen was working correctly, as long as restore points are available. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be much closer to getting your Windows login screen back and accessing your files again.